Veterans with chronic bronchitis or other respiratory issues like COPD or asthma may qualify for VA disability benefits if their condition is linked to military service through direct, secondary, or presumptive connection. Disability ratings are based on symptom severity and pulmonary function test results. A strong claim requires solid evidence, including medical records, nexus letters, and personal statements. For guidance and help with filing, contact Vet Claim Solutions to ensure your claim is handled correctly and you receive the benefits you've earned.